Welcome to Auto In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Steam app ID not found in environment variable unhandled exception error in Escape from Tarkov.
Fix 1. Set the SteamAppId manually. Step 1. Right. Click on your Escape from Tarkov shortcut or launcher. Step 2. Select Properties. Step 3. In the target field, add this at the end. SteamAppId 739960. Step 4. Click Apply and OK. Then launch the game. Fix 2. Run the game via Steam. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Make sure Escape from Tarkov is added to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. Step 3. Launch the game directly from Steam to automatically set the Steam app ID. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click on the Escape from Tarkov shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. See if the error is gone. Fix 4. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam. Step 2. Go to your library. Right. Click Escape from Tarkov Properties, Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Wait for the process to finish and try launching the game again.